Number 18. The model below represents the equation 5x plus 1 equals 2x plus 7. What value makes the equation true? In our picture, our bags are our x's, and our little shaded things are our 1's. We can solve it two ways. One, by using pictures, or just by solving it through numbers. I'm going to solve it with numbers first. So 5x plus 1 equals 2x plus 7. I want to get my x's onto one side. So I'm going to get rid of my smallest x. My smallest x is 2x, and I'm going to subtract it from both sides. And I'm going to have 3x plus 1 equals 7. Now I want to get my 3x alone. To do that, I have to get rid of a positive 1. The opposite of a positive 1 is a negative 1. And I end up with 3x equals a positive 6. Now I'm going to divide by 3 because we're splitting x into just one x. We don't want 3. And we get x equals 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our answer choice is A. We could have also done, well, balancing it off. So if I take off an x here, I have to take off an x here. And if I take off an x here, I have to take off an x here.
Pardon the interruption. The nurse is here for the B12 for those who are interested in the nurse's conference room.
Now I have to take off an x here and an x here.
In the nurse's conference room.
Or a 1 here and a 1 here. Took off 1 from this side, I took off 1 from this side. This gives me 1, 2, 3x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. And I split this into 3 groups, so I'm going to have to split this into 3 groups. Each group has 2 in it. Therefore, my answer choice is 2.